Hello friend! Welcome to our video on how to make two different all-purpose cleaners. You will learn how to create cleaners that can effectively clean various surfaces in your home while reducing your environmental impact and avoiding harmful chemicals. Let's start with the first cleaner, which works great for disinfecting, deodorizing, and removing fats. Measure 100 ml of vodka and 100 ml of water. Alcohol is effective at killing or inhibiting the growth of many types of microorganisms, including bacteria and viruses. This is why it is often used as a disinfectant or antiseptic agent. At a concentration about 20% or higher, it is enough to effective at preserving products by preventing the growth of microorganisms that can cause spoilage or degradation. And more, about 20% alcohol can be effective at removing fats and grease from surfaces. Alcohol is a solvent, which means it can dissolve and break down many types of organic compounds, including fats and oils. This is why alcohol is often used as a cleaning agent in products such as kitchen and bathroom cleaners. And if stronger than 20%, the cleaning and preserving power are stronger too, but adding water can help you with the cost. Vodka is not so cheap in the Netherlands. Add 10 ml of tea tree essential oil. Tea tree oil is well known for its antimicrobial properties, and several studies have shown that it can effectively kill bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Mix them together. Put it in a spray bottle and shake it a bit before using it. Just spray it on the surface and clean it with a wet cleaning towel. I love to use this on our dining table and kitchen worktops instead of chemical cleaners. I have 2 young kids and I don't like to use chemical-based cleaners, especially on these surfaces. This cleaner is soap-free and the alcohol and essential oils will evaporate soon, making it safe to use. It's also wonderful to use this cleaner on fabrics, clothes, and shoes. The alcohol in vodka not only helps to dissolve fats, but also has deodorizing properties. When combined with the antimicrobial properties of tea tree essential oil, this cleaner becomes perfect for deodorizing and disinfecting fabrics. Now, let's move on to the second cleaner, which is amazing for cleaning your bathroom and kitchen sinks. Measure 50 ml of vodka and 150 ml of white vinegar. Vinegar is a natural acid that has several properties that make it useful in cleaning. It helps dissolve and remove mineral deposits, soap scum, and other grime that can accumulate on surfaces in the bathroom and kitchen sink. Vinegar is also a natural disinfectant and can help kill bacteria and germs on surfaces. This is because the acetic acid in vinegar can disrupt the cell membranes of these microorganisms, causing them to die. 5 ml of tea tree and 5 ml of lemongrass essential oil. Both tea tree and lemongrass essential oils have natural disinfectant properties and can help to kill germs and bacteria. And the pleasant fragrance from the essential oils is an extra benefit. By combining vinegar with other cleaning ingredients such as essential oils and alcohol, you can create a powerful and effective cleaner that can help keep your home clean and free of germs. The alcohol in vodka works as a solvent that helps to dissolve fats and grime, while the vinegar and lemongrass oil work together to remove scales and stains and disinfect surfaces. Mix all the ingredients together and put in a spray bottle. Shake a few times before use. Spray this cleaner on the surface to clean. Wait a couple of minutes to let it work and clean with a cleaning towel or sponge. The high concentration of lemongrass essential oil in the second cleaner can irritate sensitive skin, so wear gloves. Vinegar in the second cleaner should not be used on natural stone surfaces, such as marble or granite, as it can etch and damage these materials. For these surfaces, use the first cleaner. Avoid contact with the eyes or open flames, keeping them out of reach of children and pets. There you have it. 2 easy and natural multi-purpose cleaners you can make at home. By making your own cleaners, you are contributing to a more sustainable and healthy lifestyle. I hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and set an alarm to support us on this green and healthy DIY journey. Tune in next time for more sustainable ideas. 고맙습니다.